everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Devyn, and here I talk about travel and share travel videos, go on the occasional rant, and do a cooking video every now and again, which is what we are doing today, so Godspeed to me. I never can seem to get it right. However, I did see the comments on the macaroni pie video, so I wanted to say thank you for those who watched it and who also commented with their tips. I'm gonna give that a whirl again in the next couple weeks. I've got the ingredients on my grocery list, so I want to do it right this time. Anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna get started. We need white flour, white granulated sugar, salt, vegetable oil, 2 packs of yeast, and warm water. Actually, just 1 pack of yeast because I'm gonna half this just in case I royally screw it up. It seems simple, but I feel like if it seems simple, that probably means it's gonna be a disaster, but we'll see how she goes. Okay, so we're already off to a questionable start because I don't quite have the right ingredients. Oh, yeast, that's what I needed. Okay, we do have yeast. I don't have white granulated sugar. I don't even want to admit this. We're gonna use this stuff. I mean, it is sugar, unrefined cane sugar, whatever. And I don't have vegetable oil, so we're using sunflower oil. But other than that, I think I have the stuff that we need. Why am I like this? You're also supposed to sift the flour, but I don't have a sifter. And I cooked something the other day that also needed to be sifted. I can't remember what it was. Oh yeah, I made roti, which I did not film because I was like, I don't have curry powder, so I don't even want to admit to this horror. Okay, sift half the flour and mix with salt and yeast in a large mixing bowl and slowly add warm water, continually mixing until the mixture forms a stiff dough. Keep adding more sifted flour until you have dough stiff enough to knead. Oh, the vegetable oil is for the greased bowl. When does the yeast go in? Oh, I see. I don't know what's happening. It's so sticky. Oh my god. I'm the worst. Jeez. Okay, mix continually until the mixture forms a stiff dough. That seems to be happening. Should not have used a whisk. Okay, and then you keep adding more flour until you have enough dough stiff enough to knead. Oops, might be enough. Okay. I'm gonna leave it at that. Alright, so I have placed the sticky elastic dough into a bowl that has been greased. And then it says place the bowl in a warm place for 40 to 50 minutes until it is doubled in size. You know the dough is ready when you poke a finger at it and the indentation remains. And now we wait. So I was just looking at this recipe again, and at no point did it say what to do with the sugar. I assume it should have been dissolved into the warm water, but it wasn't. Huh. I guess it did double in size. Okay. Oh my god, this is already gonna be such a fail. Okay, it said you know the dough is ready when you poke a finger in it and the indentation remains. God. I hate baking. I hate kitchens. I give up. I'm not gonna be a house girlfriend, and I'm never gonna be a housewife. I'm gonna be one of those people who feeds their kids McDonald's every day, I swear. I'm over it. This is so dumb. Also, this recipe is appalling. It says preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and then put it on the greased baking sheet and then put it in a warm place for 40 minutes. Why would you preheat the oven for 40 minutes? I'm annoyed. This is gonna suck. Okay, I just flipped it over, and actually this side is keeping the indents. So maybe it's just because that other part hadn't got oiled, but I flipped it over, and I'm gonna try to do this whole dividing thing. Help. Oof. Okay, sorry about the lighting. Yeesh. Whatever. Okay, so I've put the buns on the tray where they're gonna sit for another 40 minutes. And normally I'd be like, comment below with your tips and how I can improve and blah, blah, blah. Honestly, don't bother. Don't even bother. Because one, this is bad. I know this is bad. Number two, I'm not even gonna take full responsibility because this recipe is weird. Like, there's something off of this recipe. I've used this website twice now and I'm starting to question some things. Like, where was the sugar? Why would I preheat the oven 40 minutes in advance? Maybe I'm just ignorant because I have a toaster oven and it doesn't need to be preheated. Like, Anyways, we're gonna let these bad boys sit for another 40 minutes, and then we put them in the oven and they bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the rolls are golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. If we die of food poisoning, this is why. All right, these buns did not rise. They have been here for just about 40 minutes, so I'm just gonna put them right in the oven and hope for the best. Maybe there is hope yet. It smells really good in here, I will say that. Got about 15 more minutes left. So they do indeed sound hollow. Oh God, this goddamn lighting. I just peeled a little piece off of the pan to try. Oh, it's like the crusty part. That does taste very good. I don't think it was a complete fail. These buns honestly smell amazing. We'll see what Sean thinks. He loves dough, so there's some big standards to be met. Okay, so official verdict on the buns is they were so good. I'm shocked. That's all. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Next time I'm going to try to make pierogies, so Godspeed to me on that one. Hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure you subscribe if you liked this video and like it as well. It helps with the good old algorithm. There's a truck passing, so you might not hear what I'm saying, but have a really great day and we'll see you next time.